Okay, we're going to add and write the answer in scientific notation. 7.2 times 10 to the 6th plus 4 times 10 to the 5th. Okay, I'm going to just do the shortcut way. Okay, because if you wanted to, you could take the first number and move the decimal point 6 to the right. Take 4, move that decimal point that's after the 4, 5 to the right. Add those two numbers up and put that answer back into scientific notation. So if you like doing it that way better, just make sure you can get the same answer as the way that I'm doing it. Okay, because I want to show you what's new. Okay, the new part. Use the shortcut. If we had the same exponent, we could use the shortcut. But since we don't have the same exponent, what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on the smaller exponent and turn it into the bigger exponent, which in this problem is 6. So this is the idea. I want to think about what can I do to 10 to the 5th to get 10 to the 6th, okay, with multiplication or division. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by 10, or 10 to the 1st. Because if I multiply 10 to the 5th times 10 to the 1st, I'm going to get 10 to the 6th, which is what I want. Okay, but I can't just take that second number and multiply by 10. I've got to also take that second number and then divide by 10. So I'm going to take that decimal point, which is after the 4, and I'm going to divide by 10 by moving the decimal point one space to the left. Okay, so I took that second number, I multiplied it by 10, I divided by 10, it's equal to the same thing I started with. Okay, so I'm going to redo my problem here, recopy it. 7.2 times 10 to the 6th plus, this would be 0.4, because I moved the decimal 1 to the left, times 10 to the 6th. 10 to the 5th times 10 to the 1st is 10 to the 6th. Now I can use my shortcut, okay, because I have the same exponent. I'm going to keep my exponent the same, my 10 to the 6th. I'm going to keep my multiply symbol. I'm just going to add 7.2 to 0.4. Don't forget that when you add decimals, you need to line up the decimal points. So that's 7.6. And 7.6 is a number between 1 and 10. So I'm good. I can stop with that. Okay, so my answer is 7.6 times 10 to the 6th. Okay, you do not need to use the shortcut that I want to show you, because I think if you get good at it, you would prefer to use it. But I'm not going to force you to use this particular shortcut.